While India must have had a brilliant night of celebrations, for New Zealand, it is a hard loss that they will have to digest. A massive margin in the T20 World Cup final. So close yet so far, finishing as the runner-up of the tournament. But Mitchell Santner, with grace, accepted the loss, and the way that he spoke to the press after the match ended showed just how much grace he has as a leader for his team and how he is willing to go out there and defend his team no matter what. He was obviously asked about the wicket and what went wrong, why did he select to bowl first on a wicket like this, and he said it was a good wicket and that we should have gotten a couple more wickets in the power play. That's where we went wrong. But he also acknowledged that when someone like a Sanju Samson and an Abhishek Sharma are having one of the best days of their careers, there's nothing that you can do to stop them, and it just was one of those days. He also mentioned that India is a brilliant team to lose a final to, and that there was no remorse there. There was no, while of course there is disappointment in the fact that they couldn't perform the way that they wanted to, it's not something that they will be bogged down by. He said that it's a very good team that we've lost the final to. They play on a lot of flat wickets against quality sides. We tried a lot of, he said that we tried a lot of cutters and yorkers and bouncers, but nothing, absolutely nothing was working for us. There was a little period of time in the match where New Zealand was able to pull things back and sort of dry up the run scoring, pull down the run rate, but at the same time, the way that then the finishers came back and brought India back into the game, crossed that 250 run mark, it just wasn't New Zealand's day, and it was far too late. There was far too much damage that had already been done. And he also referred back to that Kolkata game where India played against West Indies, and he did say that we did look at that match. We saw the fact that against the off spinners, the top three are doing really, really well, which is why it did not really matter. He was talking about the playing 11 and the combination, and he said that which is why, now that you look back on it, it's a lot of hindsight as well. It doesn't really matter who played, whether it was a spin option, whether it was a pace option. It didn't really matter because of the kind of wicket that there was in the Narendra Modi Stadium at this point in time. So he said there was no real spin happening at any stage in the game, and it would not have helped no matter what. And no matter what, the way you look at it, it wasn't going to change anything because the pitch was like that. It's not an ideal feeling for Mitchell Santner, obviously leading the team, losing like this, coming so far, yet being one step away from victory. And he said that we knew India was always going to be challenged. We knew India was always going to be at their best, and they showed their class tonight. He was very, very graceful in his answers. He gave a lot of insights, and he put it very plainly, and he said that when you come up against a team like this in a final, you are going to be exposed. Your weaknesses will be exposed. And he said that we tried so many things with the ball. We tried so many options, be it the yorkers, be it the slower deliveries, the pace variations, the bouncers. Nothing was working for them. Absolutely nothing. And we could have done things differently with the ball, but the way that Sanju Samson and Abhishek Sharma were playing, they were incredibly tough to stop. It was a very flat wicket, and of course he said this one-liner that defined the entire game. He said, you can't win a chase in the power play, but you can lose a game in the power play. And I think that completely defines who Mitchell Santner is as a person, as a player, and as a leader. He showed a lot of character in that press conference. It's going to be a difficult night. It would have been a difficult night for the New Zealand team. And they will go back on their flights with things playing on their mind. But they knew what they are up against. They remain hopeful because there are a lot of things coming up. There's, again, 2 more years and two years pass on like this, and then the World Cup will be there again, and the next time it will be Australia and New Zealand who are the hosts. So Tough night for New Zealand at this point in time, but they will want to bounce back in the next couple of years when it comes to this particular format. On the other hand, again, hats off to Mitchell Santner, the way that he's handled the press, the way that he handled the questions, gave real insights, was very transparent with the way that he was, answering a lot of questions and talking about where they went wrong. And it was simple. He put it very simply that it just wasn't our day. India was tough to stop. India was the dominant team out there, and we couldn't do anything. Nothing worked for us.